Day number 12. 10 and 2 is 12. Day number 12. We're halfway there, you all. Halfway. Let's grab this stocking right here. See what's in this one. If this is a rotary cutter, I'm just going to fall over. Day number 12. I've already pulled our stocking off. Oh! Here's our stocking right here. A stiletto. It's on Amazon for $10. I've got a couple of them. This right here's what it is. It's got a sharp point on it. Keeps you from running a sewing machine needle through your finger, or it's supposed to. And when you're sewing, you can like guide it, and you can kind of hold it real tight because it's got that sharp tip on it. You can like stick it through your fabric and ease it through without using your fingers and without, getting them caught under the needle. That's what these are for. This one is under $10 on Amazon. You can buy others. I was at a craft show, and a lady had some, and they had some pretty beads and things on them. You can get all kinds. As fancy or as plain and simple as you want. If that's what it is, this will be a short video because that's just what this one is. And I do use mine. I've got this one. I've got one that's got a broken tip, and I don't remember how I broke the tip on it. But I did break the tip on one time. A lot of people use these, and it's just basically a great big pen. Great big pen because it pokes. Just stab this piece of paper. See, it stabbed our piece of paper. For day number 12, a stiletto. Reminds you of a high heel shoe, doesn't it? That's what you think of. It ought to be a high heel shoe, a stiletto shoe. High heel shoes. If you don't have one, this would be a great stocking stuffer to ask for. It would be a great stocking stuffer or secret sister gift or whatever. Because they're under $10, and you can never have too many. I've been out shopping today. I have been. I'll tell y'all all that because the video's not very long, not even 2 minutes. But I have been out shopping. About through with all my Christmas shopping. I've got to get the Mr. Something, and I know what I'm getting, so I just have to go get it one day. Not a big deal. Everything else I am done with, I think. Pretty close to being done with anyway. Hope you all are about done with yours. We've only got 12 more days. 12 more days until Christmas is here and Santa Claus comes and brings all of our little presents and our oranges and our hard candies and all that, because that may be what we get. Our coal and switches. Do you think you're going to get something more than switches and coal? The mister's over here shaking his head. No, he's getting switches and coal. I think he deserves a little more than switches and coal. What do y'all think? He's pretty good to us. He said coal would at least keep us warm. That's true. And this Sunday is supposed to be bitter cold on Sunday the 15th. I do not want to have to go out of my house on that day. Wind chills below zero. It is not going to be fun here in Northeast Tennessee. I'm just telling you, it's not. It's going to be too cold. We went and got our tree the other day. It was so cold and windy up there. And it was like 50 down here in the lowlands, and they were up on top of the mountain, but it was so windy and cold, it just made it seem a lot colder. And they said they were supposed to have sub-zero temperatures Sunday. Oh, it's going to be so cold. So I'm glad we went ahead and got our tree. I haven't gotten it decorated yet. We're going to do that tonight because I had to get some things today to plug it in because I needed a remote control. I love those things. And I don't know where mine are. So I had to get a remote control for my lights. So if you've not got your tree up, get it up. And order you some stilettos and other things. All this kind of stuff is in my Amazon storefront. Go through those links. Even if you're not buying this particular item and you go to buy something else, I still get a few pennies. And those few pennies add up to nickels, and nickels to dimes, and dimes to quarters, and quarters to dollars, and dollars to fives, and fives to tens, and it just keeps going and going and going. So help me out with a few pennies. You don't have, it doesn't cost y'all any more, but they do give me just a little bit. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you tomorrow for day number 13.